Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about eye care and the poses and exercises that I absolutely love. Okay, so these are my top 6. Okay, so none of these exercises require any cream, moisturizer, oil, serum, but it's always better to have a little moisturized skin before you do any kind of face yoga, and especially if the area around your eyes is feeling dry. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a little bit of moisturizer, you're going to tap it all around your eyes, and you're going to continue with this tapping action for at least 10 seconds. The second is dedicated to crow's feet. So the exercise is actually called crow's feet press. You're going to be taking 2 fingers, placing them at your temples and slightly tightening it by raising it up, holding. If you need to blink, blink, keep breathing, and small gentle squeezes about 10 times. Let's do this one more time. 2 fingers, temples, raise, tighten, small squeezes. And relax. Now, for the under eye bags and dark circles, you really want to strengthen that muscle and you want to boost blood circulation. 2 fingers under, don't press, just gently place. Look up slightly, don't wrinkle your forehead, and the same squeezes while looking up. Focus on my under eyes. And relax. Let's do this one more time. 2 fingers, make sure that they are aligned, gently place, look up, squeeze. You can even hold the squeeze for 5 seconds. Relax. A lot of puffiness under your eyes. 2 fingers under, gentle rocking action. Maybe for the mornings where you've not slept too well the previous night, or you've had that extra glass of wine. This is absolutely great and feels super relaxing. You can stay here for a few more seconds. You've already done the tapping. This just adds to the benefit. And you end it here. Give it a slight massage. Take it up. Press and release, or you can gently massage, and it feels absolutely amazing. The last one, and absolutely non-negotiable, which you should be doing every day, morning and night, is the rub-a-dub-dub and the cup. Just make sure that your palms are not completely flat. There's a slight curvature so that it creates a nice suction cup. So we're going to rub, 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 cup, look down, hold. Take a deep inhale, exhale, come up and pop. It feels amazing. Let's do this one more time. Rub, 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 cup, down, deep inhale, exhale, up, pop. So those are my essential 6 for the eyes, for dark circles, puffiness, crow's feet, droopy lids, under eye bags, or just if your eyes are feeling very, very tired. Yes, you can practice these every day. So I hope you liked it. If you did, please send me a comment, ask me any questions. Click on the subscribe button. Do let me know what you'd like to see next. And please do visit my website. I'm going to link it below. It's called glowwithpriya.com, where you can get all your face yoga courses, and you can also book a one-on-one personalized session with me. Love and light.